Samsung has long dominated the foldable market with its Z Fold series, but in 2024, OnePlus entered the fray with a bold challenger, the OnePlus Open. These two devices are packed with impressive features, including large, high-resolution foldable displays, powerful processors, and advanced camera systems. However, they differ in several key areas, such as design, performance, and pricing. Today, we're comparing the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the OnePlus Open to see which foldable phone deserves your attention. Let's dive into the details. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is the result of years of refinement, boasting a sleek, durable design. It's slimmer and lighter than its predecessors, featuring Armor Aluminum and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for enhanced durability. On the other hand, the OnePlus Open goes for a conventional book-style design and functionality, making a bold play in the niche foldable market. Otherwise, the two foldables are pretty similar. Both have cover displays that are virtually identical in size with the same maximum 120Hz refresh rate. The Galaxy Fold 6 has a 6.3-inch AMOLED 2375 by 968 pixel display, while the OnePlus Open's 6.31-inch OLED 2484 by 1116 pixel screen is slightly sharper due to a higher pixel density. Likewise, when unfolded, both devices have roughly similar internal screens with a maximum 120Hz refresh rate. The Z Fold 6 has a 7.6-inch 2160 by 1856 pixel AMOLED display, while the OnePlus Open has a slightly larger 7.82-inch OLED 2440 by 2268 pixel screen that's again sharper with more pixels to spare. Given its slightly wider internal display, it makes sense that the OnePlus Open is overall just a bit wider than the Z Fold 6 in design. The OnePlus Foldable is only rated IPX4 to resist splashes of water rather than complete immersion, while the Z Fold 6's IP48 rating means it should survive being dunked in knee-deep water for up to 30 minutes, as well as survive some dust and dirt exposure. Performance is a crucial aspect of any flagship device. Powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, the Z Fold 6 promises top-notch performance. It comes with 12 GB of RAM and storage options up to 1 TB. This setup ensures smooth performance, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or using demanding apps. The device runs Android 14 and is guaranteed 7 years of software updates, making it a future-proof choice. This is a significant advantage for long-term users who want their device to stay up-to-date with the latest features and security patches. With a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip and 16 GB of RAM, the OnePlus Open is no slouch. It offers a single 512 GB storage option and ships with Android 13, with an upgrade to Android 14 available. OnePlus promises 4 years of security updates, which is respectable but falls short of Samsung's commitment. Camera performance often makes or breaks a smartphone choice. The Z Fold 6 features a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3 times optical zoom. For selfies, it has a 10-megapixel camera on the cover display and a 4-megapixel under-display camera inside. The OnePlus Open boasts a higher megapixel count with its 48-megapixel main camera, 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 64-megapixel telephoto camera with 6 times optical zoom. For selfies, it has a 32-megapixel front-facing camera on the cover screen and a 20-megapixel shooter on the inner display. Despite the OnePlus Open's higher megapixel count, the Z Fold 6's cameras are expected to deliver better detail and sharpness based on past performance. However, we'll need to wait a little bit, as the Z Fold just came out to see how they stack up against each other in real-world usage. Featuring a 4,400 mAh battery, the Z Fold 6 supports 25-watt wired charging and wireless charging. However, Samsung does not include a charger in the box, which might be a drawback for some. The OnePlus Open sports a larger 4,805 mAh battery and comes with a 67-watt charger that can juice up the phone to 76% in just 30 minutes. This fast charging capability gives it an edge over Samsung in terms of battery life and convenience. Starting at $1,900 for the 256GB model, the Z Fold 6 is a premium investment. The higher price tag gets you a device packed with features and long-term software support. The OnePlus Open is more competitively priced at $1,700 for the 512 GB mode. This $200 difference could be a deciding factor for those looking for the best value for their money, especially considering its higher storage capacity and included fast charger. So, which foldable should you go for? The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 offers cutting-edge hardware, superior durability, and a promise of long-term software support. It's perfect for those who want the best of the best and are willing to pay for it. The OnePlus Open, on the other hand, delivers excellent value with a lower price tag, faster charging, and ample storage. It's a fantastic choice for those who want a premium foldable at a more affordable price point. Both the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the OnePlus Open are stellar foldables, each with its own strengths. It all comes down to what you value more in a smartphone. Let us know in the comments which one you'd choose and why. Thanks for watching our video, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.